Hello everyone, myself Khushi. I am a law student in IME Law College and I am here as a legal intern in very popular law firm Lexicon Company. So guys, from this video, we are going to discuss the left and the being important and very big landmark judgment given by Supreme Court after the independence. So let's start with the Indira Gandhi and the Union of India 1992 case. The Supreme Court explained the scope and the extent of Article 16.4, which provides for the reservation of jobs in favor of backward classes. It upheld the constitutional validity of 27% reservation for the OBC with certain conditions like creamy layer exclusion, no reservation in the promotion reserve quota should not exceed the 50%, etc. This were discussed in this case. Next is the SR Omai case 1994. In this judgment, the Supreme Court tried to curb the misuse of Article 365 regarding the imposition of President's rule on the state. The strike on the on this misuse of the article 56. Next is the Vishakha and the state of Rajasthan 1997. This case dealt with the sexual harassment at the workplace. In the judgment of Supreme Court gave a set of guidelines for the employers as well as other responsible person or institution to immediately ensure the prevention of sexual harassment at workplace. This called the guidelines called the Vishakha guidelines, which were be considered a law. Appropriate legislation was not enacted. Next is the Matha and the state of Andhra Pradesh 1997 case. The judgment nullified all the mining lease granted by the Andhra Pradesh state government in the schedule area and asked it to stop all operation. It declared that the forest land, tribal land, and the government land is scheduled in scheduled area could not be leased to the private companies or not non-tribal or for the industrial operation. Such activities is only permits permissible to the government undertaking and the tribal people. It is also a very big landmark case is the Lily Thomas versus Union of India 2000. Here, the Supreme Court held the second marriage of the Hindu man without divorcing the first wife. Even if the man had converted into Islam, is void unless the first marriage had been dissolved, according to the Hindu Marriage Act. Next is the I.R. Kohlu versus the state of Tamil Nadu 2007. This judgment held that if a law is included in the ninth schedule of the Indian Constitution, it can still be examined and in the court. The ninth schedule of the Indian Constitution contain a list of acts and laws which cannot be challenged in the court of law. The woman Rao ruling ensured this act and laws mentioned in the schedule till 24 April 1973 shall not be changed and or challenged, but any attempt to amend or add more act to the schedule will suffer a close inspection and examination by the judiciary system. The pedophilia case 2011, the Supreme Court restored the conviction and the sentence of 6 years religion imprisonment imposed on the two key nationals who were acquitted by the Bombay High Court in pedophilia case. The court said that the sexual abuse of the children is one of the most heinous crime. Next is the Arun Book case 2011. The Supreme Court ruled that the individual had a right to die with the dignity along the passive enthusiasm with the guidelines. The need to reform the India's law on the enthusiasm was by the cases of Arun Anbog, who lay in the administrative state for 42 years. Is the Nota Judgment 2013. The judgment introduced the Nota, the none of the above option for the Indian voters. Landmark judgment is the Lily Thomas versus Union of India 2013. The Supreme Court ruled that the MLA, MLC or MPs who was found guilty of a crime and given a minimum of 2 years imprisonment would cease to be a member of the House immediately effective. It's also a very big landmark case. Next very big landmark case is a Nirbhaya case in 2014, introducing of the law, a Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013, and a definition of the rape under the Protection of Children from the Sexual Offences Act 2012. The Indian Evidence Act 1872, India's Penal Code 1860, and the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. So, landmark case is the National Legal Service Authority and the Union of India to 2014. This case resulted in the recognition of transgender person as a third gender. It is also a very big landmark case. This the judgment of the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court also instructed that the government to treat them as minorities and expand the reservation in the education, job, education. Institutions. Next, a big landmark judgment given by the Supreme Court on the triple talaq in 2016. Court did that the backward practice of the instant triple talaq, which permitted Muslim men and their marriage by using by only speaking the three words talaq talaq talaq, this three times without making any provision for the maintenance or any it is a crime. A mark judgment on right to privacy in 2017, the Supreme Court declared the right to privacy as a fundamental right protected under the Constitution. Next is the repealing of Section 377 2018. The Supreme Court ruled that the Section 377 was unconstitutional in so far as it criminalized the sexual conduct between the adults of the same sex. This is some of a very big and a very landmark judgment which made by the Supreme Court after the independence. Hope you understand this topic. Hope you understand this case. If you have any question regarding this topic, then you have to ask me in a comment box. I will give my best to answer it. A very thank you to all to watching this.